Welcome to our channel. Adding two-factor authentication to your Medicaid portal account significantly improves your account security. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up this important security feature. Step 1. Visit your state's Medicaid portal website and log in using your existing username and password credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings or security settings, typically found by clicking your profile name or icon. Step 3. Look for the security or two-factor authentication section within the settings menu. Step 4. Click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication or Add Authentication Method to begin the setup process. Step 5. Choose your preferred authentication method, which usually includes text message, email, or authentication app options. Step 6. Enter your mobile phone number or email address, depending on the method you selected in the previous step. Step 7. Verify your contact information by entering the verification code sent to your phone or email. Step 8. Save your settings and log out, then log back in to test that two-factor authentication is working properly by entering the code sent during login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.